Okay, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tech video teaching you how to do a new software. So today I'm going to teach you guys the basics of how to improve your audio quality with this software called Audacity. It's completely free, that's why it looks kind of crappy, but despite how it looks, it actually works pretty well considering it's a completely free program. It's open source, cross-platform, and I'm using it on Mac right now, but you can use it on Windows and Linux also. Right now I'm speaking with a blue snowball with a pop filter on it, so we're just gonna record something real quick. Basically what I did was I ended that clip and then I dragged it in and then it puts it into audio form. I think it's probably MP3 form right now. There's two copies because one is for the left side of the headphone and the other one's for the right side, so it's stereo basically. This beginning part is when I was getting ready to record, so it was just empty space. You always want to do that. The first thing we can do to improve this audio clip is we can select this dead space, go to Effects, Noise Reduction, and then you press Get Noise Profile. So it says select a few seconds of your noise. So you select the noise profile, which is dead space, and then it basically scans what this sounds like, and then you Command A, select the entire thing, and then when you go Effect, Noise Reduction, and you click this, just leave it at the default. That's usually the best one. It basically removes all of that sound that it heard in the really beginning. So boom. Look at the beginning. See, you can tell that the beginning was cut off, so it's nice and clean. Can barely hear anything now. Okay, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tech video teaching how to do a new software. Yeah, I know I haven't cut anything yet to make it not sound bad. Yeah, you can already tell that the audio is already a little bit better. We can use equalization and then give me some bass boosting. Bass boosting usually sounds cringy and stuff because it's kind of a meme. In this case, bass boosting will make your voice slightly deeper and a bit more equalized, I guess. Okay, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So you can tell it's a little bit deeper. It's a fuller voice, kind of. On top of that, you can make a treble boost from equalization also. Don't mess with this. This is the best. Basically, it makes it a little bit louder and it makes some soft parts. Okay, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So you can already tell that after those two effects, it already sounds much better. We're probably not going to do this right now, but if you want to change your pitch, you want your voice to sound higher or deeper, you can use change pitch. Change speed if you're speeding too slow. You can always change the speed and then put the pitch lower. And one thing we're probably going to do is effect. You can go to effect compressor. This is another thing I sometimes do, but I sometimes don't. It basically does the same as equalization. I'm not sure about the exact logistics and stuff, but just do it. Makes it sound louder. There, it made it way louder. Okay, so compressor basically made it louder, fuller voice, and then after that, you can go and normalize it again. You always want to do the normalize at the end after you put down all the effects. But okay, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tech video teaching how to do a new software. So okay, so I'm gonna do some little cutting and stuff, and then you can see how it sounds like afterwards. After I cut out all the bad stuff. Okay, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tech video teaching how to do a new software. So today I'm going to teach you guys the basics of how to improve your audio quality with this software called Audacity. It's completely free, that's why. Okay, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tech video teaching how to do a new software. So today I'm going to teach you guys the basics of how to improve your audio quality with this software called Audacity. It's completely free, that's why it looks kind of crappy, but despite how it looks, it actually works pretty well. I'm coming home.